Looking at euro dollar here on a 240-minute chart that we're looking at. And now let's look at how the market has really created this nice sort of medium-term trend line here. Those highs just progressively getting lower. And now we can see that the market closed on Friday, and we can see that it was slowly climbing back up to that previous resistance, because remember that trend line now is acting as a sort of an angled resistance, like an angled ceiling area, sort of that nice little invisible barrier here that we're seeing. Now also notice when we're looking at our stochastics indicator, if anybody likes that indicator there, a great one, very simple to learn, simple one to read as well. It's coming up to this 80 line here. It's showing that the market is a little bit overbought. So we could have a possible bounce off of that price area. And of course I did draw a set of fibs, so we have them set from the low up to the high. You can see that we have some retracement here. The market's come down to about this 50%, and then you can see the market's climbing back up to that resistance area. And if we do see a bounce off, we could potentially see the market coming back down to either this price area right here, or which was some previous resistance, previous support back here as well, or it could possibly come down to this 382 if it keeps on going. And let's just see if it comes back down to the 50 or this 618. Those are both great fibs as well. This one right on the round number here, this one here, we have some previous support, previous resistance, and look at all that resistance back here. So we are definitely seeing some of that role reversal here. So maybe kind of medium term, short term, we maybe see the market bouncing off of that resistance. Now, if it does break through this resistance area here, be surprised if it does come back up to this resistance here at about that 137.40 area, maybe possibly wanting to break through that area as well. So either way, watch this currency pair. Let's see if it bounces off that resistance or maybe if it breaks through. Great trading strategy either way.